Hello everybody. Take a look at this position. White to play and win. And white's pawn is moving forward in this direction. And though it's white to play and win, white must find the only winning move, otherwise this is going to be just a draw or even worse, losing. So you guys can pause the video and guess the move. Best of luck. Okay, welcome back. So here we have a pawn. Our main mission is of course to promote this pawn, but we have to do it correctly. So we have 6 moves to start with and only one works, so this move looks nice, so let's try them. So if we play c6, pushing the pawn immediately, black is going to play king to d6 and stop the pawn, right? So black is basically going to go and get the pawn, and actually we cannot save this pawn, right? At the end of the day, black is going to get in front of it, and even if black loses this pawn, we wouldn't get the right position to win the game, right? We don't have an opposition, and essentially what black can do is just push its own pawn, right? So this pawn is now racing toward the promotion, and we have to stop this pawn. This is our only chance to stop the pawn, and we are going to get the draw instead. So this move doesn't work. The other move that looks probably fine is king to b5. So here what black can do is play king to d7, and now we cannot get in front of the pawn. The king is just in time, and because of black's pawn, it's preventing us from going any forward, right? So if we play king to a6, black is going to play and get in front of the pawn, winning the pawn at the end. And if we make a pawn move instead, black is going to get in front of the pawn, and like I said before, we can't win this, right? So this is once again just a draw, and the only winning move is king to a6. If you found that, I want to congratulate you guys. So what is going on? Well, now if black plays king to d7 as previously, now we do have an access to play to b7, and now it's simply just going to happen for us. So that is the idea. And if black attacks our pawn, notice now the black king is in the d5 square, right, in the 5th rank. It's much further from the 7th rank, right? So now we can actually play king to b5, and of course if black gives us a check like this, we are going to get down, and we are going to simply promote this pawn. And now if black decided to simply chase the pawn, what we are going to do is get in front of the pawn, and we are going to play king to b7 and win on the next move, right? So if black now pushes, we simply play king to b7, and we are going to win this, right? So black is going to get into the last square, but since we are going to get a queen with check, we are going to win the game, right? So now in this position, if black didn't play that move, and for example if black plays a move like this, for example here, now it looks like black has got away, but we can actually play king to c6, and now it looks like black has got rid of the check. But watch this, After the race, yes, black is going to get a queen, but after all of this we are going to play queen to h8 and win black's queen. So this is how we are going to deal with all of these moves. And in this position, if black plays a backward, if the black king plays down like this moves, now the black king cannot catch a pawn. So what else is the remaining move? Well, the other move you may probably consider is what if black pushes instead of just playing a king move. Well, now in this case we can actually play a king move and secure the promotion. But the problem is black is going to push its own pawn and black is going to get a queen. What is better instead is to just push our pawn, and if black pushes we push, and in this position if black didn't push and try to attack our pawn, we are going to play a king to defend our pawn, right? So we are defending, and this pawn is going to be a queen, and if black pushes we push. At the end of the day it's going to be a queen safely. So that is what we are going to do, and this is actually the solution of the puzzle. So the for recap, the first move is king to a6, and if black plays king to d5 we are going to play king to b5. And now according to black's response we are going to make a move, and if black pushes the pawn we push the pawn. If black plays a king move we play a king move and defend the king. If black plays a king move again we are going to play a king move again and defend our pawn, right? So this is the idea, and if black simply pushes we push, black pushes, and we are going to get a queen at the end. So this is it for today. Thank you for watching up to this point. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.